Hello. Hi, sister. I see you're here watching this video and you're like, Dear Black women, what? What can anyone tell me right now, right here, on this platform? This platform has been a little wicked. We've been tearing each other up on this platform, going back and forth with each other. Drama, drama, and more drama. But let's leave that aside for a second. Please listen to this audio as I want to express some things with you. Hi, I'm your sister, and I love you. I love you dearly. I wish you nothing but great success and prosperity along with good health. And if you're a mother, I wish the same for your kids. We live in a time where Black women are not appreciated. Black women are constantly targeted with nonsense. And Black women have been at the bottom of the totem pole for many, many years. I say no more. Our men, well, some of our men do not seem to make it better. But it's time to take accountability for our own actions. And I say that to say this. Sometimes we just love a little bit too much. Or we're loving everyone and everything else but ourselves. It's okay to pull back. This creates a lot of problems. This creates many, many problems that can possibly be passed down to your offspring. And they will do the same. And this creates a vicious cycle. Very vicious. Not being able to love yourself is severely detrimental. It will kill you. I know you are like, well, I do love myself, but I love him too. I love her too. I love them too. Understand that you were born alone and you will die alone. Don't be foolish. Self-love is the start of new life if you do not already love yourself. Stop chasing him. If he shows he doesn't love you, leave him. Stop holding on to things that hurt you. Stop holding on to people that hurt you. Leave them. Don't kill yourself. Some Black girls and some Black women have very, 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 very toxic mothers. Please understand that her problems are not yours. And if she's miserable with herself, there's nothing you can do about it. And I don't say that to be mean, but you must preserve yourself. She's had her life. It's time for you to live yours. You may love your mother, but if she's being toxic to you, leave her. Alone. Check on her when she's sick, and be there for her when she truly, truly needs it. Same thing with a boyfriend or a husband. If he is being toxic, why are you staying? Why are you continuously opening your legs to a man that doesn't care or respect you? Stop. Please. Stop. Stop. If he doesn't love you the way you love him, there is going to be problems. Your love will never change him. If he's cheating on you, he does not respect your womb. That's a problem. Learn from women like me who's been in this torturous cycle where my mom was a victim of being abused and she dealt with it. She's giving kids away just to deal with a man. Yes, I said it. She's given her kids away just to be with a man who hated her, who mistreated her. But she did everything she could to do right by him and not herself or her kids. She had a girl, me. I too fell victim in this vicious cycle. I thought just because a man showed me a little bit of attention means that he really cares about me. And if I slept with him, he will possibly love me. But I was wrong. And as stupid as you guys may think that is, it's a lot of women that don't know it's stupid and do it constantly, bearing children with different men because they do not love themselves. I too am victim of my own problems. I created my own problems. I did not love myself. I had a child out of wedlock. I had a child by a man who had a child on me. I completely messed up things for my child by being selfish. Do not be like me. And if you already made the mistake of being like me, do not be bitter. You messed yourself up. You did not love yourself. Find the love for yourself. Find it. Find it. Without it, you are losing. Go educate yourself. Read more books. Go out, exercise, get in shape, eat right, take care of your kids. No time to party. No time to be in clubs. No time to be getting drunk. No time to be getting lit. Take care of yourself. Because we all are what we attract. And if you keep attracting garbage men, it's a great possibility that you have a garbage image. Fix it. Again, we are what we attract. Let's stop cutting each other's throats. Stop with the bitterness and the pettiness. Let's love one another. No one else is going to do it. After we learn to love ourselves, we must love each other. And I say this painfully, we must love each other. We must build each other up. Some people may find this audio a joke. Who cares? Some people may scrutinize over some of the things that I say in this audio. Still, who cares? It may get shared, it may not. It may go viral, it may not. As long as you listen to me. But I am speaking to my sisters that want to hear their sister cry for change over this mess. I want better for myself as well as I want better for my sisters. And I truly mean this from the bottom of my heart. We cry boo-hoo and tattoo tears when we make a mistake. It's everyone else's fault. He left me. Forget that. The problem is he was never there. That man was truly never there. And because you didn't love yourself, you didn't see it. We must secure ourselves financially. We should not depend on anyone or anything to feed ourselves and nourish our offspring if you have any. It's okay. It's okay. We see today that people continuously turn their backs on us while looking just like us. Shame on them. It seems to be very trendy to be an asshole. It's very trendy to be a fucked up individual. It's very trendy. But let's not be that. Let's be better than them. We are waking up, but it's a little bit too slow. We all need to be at the same pace. We all need to be getting in shape, taking care of our health, guiding one another, securing wealth. We all need to be hustling, educating ourselves. Because guess what? The time is over for us to be taking care of men, doing everything all alone, while there's people in our faces. Get rid of them. If they're not contributing to your success, it doesn't make sense while they're in your life. You are the company you keep. It does not make any sense. Do away with them. Do yourself a favor. I love you. Always. Even if you do not hear these words often, I know I haven't. But I still love myself. I will still work day to day to make sure I do what I have to do to take care of my child. And you should too. And stop relying on no good ass men. Or people in general. Stop relying on toxic people to change. They're toxic for a reason. Toxicity is hard, very, very hard to water down. It's actually dangerous if you try. So stop. You can't change anything or anyone that doesn't want to change. Black women, it's okay to be your own superwoman. It's okay to only want to pick yourself up. It's okay. Who cares what men say? Oh, Black women are not submissive. I think we submitted so much that we done burnt ourselves out to now we are, well, most of us, or some, are miserable, bitter, angry, and depressed. We are human like anybody else. It's draining. But yet we hold the world on our shoulders and the world expects us to just deal with it. Well, hey, tell them to deal with this. Tell them to deal with the self-love you're about to spear all over yourself. Tell them to deal with this when you get in the gym and get that body snatched. Get your weight together. Get your health in check. Tell them to deal with you smiling, single mother or not. Take care of yourself. We all make mistakes. Don't do them too many times. A mistake repeated is no longer a mistake. It's just a bad habit. Go out with a bang. Not with no one banging on you. I love you. Peace, love, and prosperity to you and your children.